So many families feel like they have to wait until their kids are older to really enjoy travel, but they're forming personality traits and they're learning in ways that are going to influence who they become as adults, whether or not they remember the trip. My name is Christina Vieira, and I am the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping moms take a break from the busy and actually get to enjoy their family vacation. I specialize in family travel, which means when I am going to destinations, I'm finding the activities that are going to be engaging for children, but also be something that the parents will enjoy. When I started Showcase the World, I was working with busy moms, and I would ask what they wanted for their vacation, and they'd say they want this for this kid, and they want that for that kid, and they want this for their spouse. And my question always was, well, what about you? We want to make sure that you're enjoying this vacation because it's your vacation too. I started as a Disney specialist and planned only Disney vacations. I've planned hundreds of them, and I can plan them like the back of my hand. It's personalized to you, so we're picking the best resort for you. We're picking the best dining for you. We're creating a custom touring plan that helps you highlight the attractions you don't want to miss and make sure that you're doing it in a way that's sensitive to your time. And so with Showcase the World, I love to plan your Disney vacation, but I also want to open you up to the possibilities of the rest of the world. Whether we're putting you at a hotel that has babysitters on call, or we're looking at restaurants that have great local food that you're gonna enjoy, but also have an accessible option for your kids. So you're both getting that unique experience of that incredible destination. And the more we work with you trip after trip after trip, the more we're going to be able to hit right away knowing exactly the hotel you want to stay in because we know what you liked and what you didn't like. If you're a busy mom who doesn't want just another busy trip, but an actual vacation where you can spend time together enjoying your family, then schedule a call with us. We would love to get to know you and help you plan a vacation that the whole family can enjoy, even you.